Hey, so if you're trying to explore jobs or check company info, yeah, you'll need an account on Glassdoor first. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create one step by step in just a few minutes. First, open Glassdoor on your phone or computer. You can use either the website or the app. Both work the same way. Next, look for the Join or Sign Up button and click it. So, this is usually at the top right corner of the page. Now you'll see different options. You can continue with Google, Facebook, or just use your email address. All right, if you choose email, just enter your name, email, and create a password. Try to use a password that's strong but still easy for you to remember. Next step, check your inbox. You'll get a verification email from Glassdoor, and you just click the link inside it to confirm your account. Once you're in, you can complete your profile. So, add your job interests, skills, and experience to get better job suggestions. And that's it. You're all set up on Glassdoor. From here, you can start searching jobs, checking salaries, and exploring companies right away.